Number 1 Adel ha, number 1 fixing motor. Puta number 1 fixing motor Adel. Sa number 1 Saudi. You check belt align good or no. Have color coding there if you want. See, black, blue, brown there. Check the pulley if direct. Check. It's good now.
So
it's good. You tight now the Allen key. I did not tight the Allen key in the pulley. I did not tight. Yung sim nilo na wa. Number 1 ha. Ha? Why Adel?
Yes.
How many months guarantee? Huh? Your job, how many months guarantee?
30 years.
30 years? Well, maybe 1 week to guarantee your job, kalas.
30
Huh?
years. 30 years more life.
30 months?
30 years life.
More, suya. After burn, kalas. Who picks? Adel. Alone. Okay. Make it lock. Maybe naip. You are the instructor of knife, huh? You're the instructor of knife? Make lock the adjustment. If you want color code, I put upstairs, huh? Not the one you lock, the nut. This one you make lock, this one.
Check.
Kelas. That one. I give you thing that anything what you want I give you. Okay, this is I'm a helper. You're the expert now. I like this Adel. See? Number 1, Saudi.
Uh,